Welcome back to Western New York Living. Now, for those of you who are not aware, last Friday, January 9th, had the distinction of being known as Quitter's Day. For good reason, because it's the day that many folks give up on their New Year's resolutions. We are here to keep you motivated this morning if your resolution was to shed a few pounds in 2026. We are happy to have with us once again Donna Herberger from the Ideal You Weight Loss Center. Donna, thank you for being here.
Thank you. Good morning.
Now, tell us a little bit about why you think people get sidetracked and how do you help us to stay focused?
So whether it's losing weight or whatever that New Year's resolution might be, by the second Friday, maybe it's because a weekend is coming, the second weekend, they don't want to stick to whatever they've been trying to do. So if you've given up after Quitter's Day and come to us, we can help people get to whatever weight they want to get to.
It only takes us 9 days. I'm glad that you specified it's the second Friday. That makes a little more sense. Okay, now you are always keeping up with technology. You turn to AI to see the top resolutions for 2026. Tell us about these.
These are for Americans. Travel and improve your career, get organized, quit smoking or maybe quit drinking or both. Less screen time, no matter what your age, get off those tablets. More sleep. Number 6, maybe acquire a new skill or work on some personal development.
Love these
top
for us.
5.
Yep.
Number 5, spend more time with family and friends. Number 4, improve your mental health. Reduce some stress, which that goes hand in hand.
Sure.
Improve your finances, budget and save some money. Number 2, lose weight, eat healthier. That goes hand in hand.
Yeah.
And number 1, improve that physical health, maybe by losing weight, eating healthier, and try to get some exercise.
Okay, we could just copy and paste that list for all of us, I think. But losing the weight and keeping it off is a huge part of the weight loss protocol that you guys talk about. Let's discuss this starting with Jessica. Let's go through Jessica's progress here.
Yes, Jessica went to our Tonawanda location and she actually started in September of 2023. And the reason we're showing her is because she has maintained that weight for 25 months.
Wow.
She lost a total of 33.6 pounds because she got to her goal and then lost more while in maintenance.
Yes, girl.
Why was she so successful? She continued to come in maintenance about once a month, check in. You don't have to buy any of our food or supplements. Just check in, jump on that scale. Make sure you're staying within a few pounds of that goal. So she did fantastic. She
That
lost
accountability.
Yes. And now she's kept it off for 25 months. Maria from Buffalo, she also went to our Tonawanda location. She started, oh my gosh, over 3 years ago.
Wow.
46 months ago, 3 years and 10 months, she lost 43.8 pounds, which is 21.24% of her body weight. And both of these ladies were just in the last week or two and weighed in, and they are maintaining just beautifully.
Amazing. That's just such a wonderful and inspirational story. Now, for those of our folks watching today who are already struggling with weight loss, how can they find out more about your program?
Go to our website. We've got a lot of great testimonials. There's videos, there's cooking segments. Sign up, register for an in-person or a virtual open house. Learn more about it. They're every Wednesday at 6 p.m. in person, and the virtual open houses are every Tuesday, also at 6 p.m. But you do need to sign up and register, and then we can get you going.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, and Happy New Year.
Thank you. Happy New Year to everyone in Western New York. We look forward to a happier and healthier 2026.
That's right. Whatever your weight loss goals are, the Ideal You Weight Loss Center can help you successfully reach them, and most importantly, keep the weight off. They are your healthy, rapid weight loss center, and they have 3 locations in our area. To find out more about their weight loss program, head over to their website at idealu.com. Donna also suggests that you register for one of their upcoming virtual or in-person open houses.